Are you looking for the best 240Hz monitor? In this video, we will break down the top 240Hz monitors on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best 240Hz monitors on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the BenQ ZOWIE XL2740 240Hz. The first thing you notice on the BenQ XL2740 is the flappy paddles on either side of the monitor. They are actually designed to stop that pesky sun reflecting off the monitor screen. It may seem ugly, but they are quite practical. These sun blocking panels could put people off of this monitor for aesthetic reasons. However, from a performance perspective, this is one of the best 240Hz monitors on the market right now. This monitor is packed with all the features you would want from a gaming monitor. A lightning-fast response time of 1 millisecond, 240Hz refresh rate, and it's G-Sync compatible. 240Hz is great for competitive players looking to gain an edge and find the ultimate in a smooth gaming experience. This monitor comes with excellent connection options and superb performance specifications. If you are seriously considering a G-Sync 240Hz monitor, then this one should be high on your list of considerations. At number 2, we have the ASUS ROG Strix XG258Q. As you would expect from the Republic of Gamers division at ASUS, this monitor is a flashy looking bit kit. The design is sublime, and it looks and feels excellent quality with thin bezels and a unique looking stand. The signature ROG Helix stand is aesthetically unique, and you can customize the lighting that emits from underneath the stand projecting an image. Oh, and there is some RGB features on the back, which looks quite nice in a dark room, but probably pointless without the lights off. The features are as good as any in this monitor, with it being G-Sync FreeSync compatible, and it has a 1 millisecond response time, and of course, the glorious 240Hz refresh rate. Considering the size and what's on offer here, we have a reasonably priced monitor that will give everyone a silky smooth experience. At number 3, we have the Alienware AW2720HF. This sleek monitor from Alienware is the HF version, which is FreeSync compatible, and of course the cheaper model. This monitor is a seriously good looking one, and has some great features to go with it, which include some well thought out RGB lighting. The thin bezels look fantastic, and the sharp edges on the stand and feet do wonders for the aesthetics. The branding is subtle and attractive, and goes well with the simple design. It's an incredibly sturdy stand, and has almost no wobble when the desk is shaken, which is largely down to the monitor having some weight to it. The monitor is packed with great features like a USB and audio pass-through, making plugging in peripherals less of a chore. The refresh rate should create some of the smoothest gameplay you will see if you have the machine to power it. It's rare we see hardware from Alienware for such a reasonable price, and this has to be considered one of the nicest looking FreeSync monitors on the market. Design is unreal on this monitor, and the performance is not too bad either. This monitor sports a 240Hz refresh rate, which is unrivaled at this price. When you add in the fact it has a low response time too, it makes for a great competitive gaming experience. The monitor also comes with AMD's FreeSync technology, meaning you can get some buttery smooth gaming with the max FPS set to 240. And for our final pick at number 4, we have the Acer XF250Q Cbmiiprx. Our budget recommendation is an impressive steal for this value and comes with some great features that will suit a lot of gamers. While most 240Hz monitors are around $300 and above, this one from Acer breaks the mold and caters for those on a tighter budget. The Acer XF250Q Cbmiiprx will improve the smoothness of your gaming experience with a fast response time of 1 millisecond, and at 240Hz it should give you that edge when it comes to competitive gaming. Despite being so cheap, this monitor is FreeSync compatible, and with Nvidia's recent updates, it now has G-Sync compatibility. So if you want to improve your gaming experience for half as much, then this monitor has to be considered. So that sums up our top 240Hz monitors of 2020. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.